Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Sahil, and welcome to the channel. So, we have started a series of technical analysis where we are analyzing various stocks and various indexes on the basis of some technical chart patterns and some derivative data. So, continuing the series, the next stock that we are analyzing as of today, the date is 20th of January 2021, is Apollo Tyres Limited. So, let's just without wasting any time move to the analysis. Yes, so as you all can see on your screens, this is investing.com, the source I am using to analyze the Apollo Tyres Limited India stock, and this is the daily chart pattern of the stock. And if you see the stock today, that is on 20th of January 2021, has given a fresh breakout on the daily charts, and we expect that the stock prices can show a good upside in the coming trading sessions. If you see, the stock today gave a close at the levels of 201.90, and the stock was trying to break these levels of 197.45, but was facing uh, resistance there and was not able to clear these levels. The stock made a first attempt to clear these levels on 16th of December, and since it failed, and again on 12th of January, it again tried to clear these levels but couldn't do so, and again went into consolidation. And exactly, if you see this green line, this is the 50 DMA level of the line. The stock exactly taking its support from the 50 DMA again tried today to clear these levels and has decisively gave a close above it and has given a fresh breakout, and thus we expect the stock prices can show a good upside. Also, if you see here the volumes were quite good. The volumes were above average volume, and if the volume tries continues to support in the coming trading sessions, we can expect a good upside in the prices of Apollo Tyres Limited India stock. Also, if we see it through Bollinger Band, the stock uh, first of all, when it tried to clear these levels of 197, couldn't do so. It took the support at its lower band of the Bollinger Band, and exactly uh, again from when it tried to clear these levels of 197 on 12th of December, the stock again failed to clear these levels, and again exactly taking its support from the lower band, again has given a fresh decisive close above these levels, and has given a fresh breakout on the Bollinger Band. Also has cleared the upper band of the Bollinger Band. And also, if you see this MACD indicator, the blue line is on the verge of crossing the red line, and this is a positive signal for a stock, and thus we can expect a good upside in the prices of Apollo Tyres Limited India stock. Also, if you look at this RSI, the RSI is currently at the levels of 64.68, which is good, which is positive for a stock. And also, if you see the RSI is also showing a divergence, and thus we can expect a good upside in the prices. And all the indicators are suggesting that we can expect a good upside in the prices of the Apollo Tyres Limited India stock. Also, let's just analyze it through derivative data also. Yes, so if you see, this is the NSE website, the source I am using to analyze the derivative data of the Apollo Tyres Limited India stock. And let me just zoom in a bit for you all. Yes, so if you see, this is the call side of the data, and if you see, the highest OI stands at the levels of 210, with highest change in OI also stands at the levels of strike price of 210. And if the stock, which will be the major hurdle for the stock to clear the level of 210, and if the stock clears the level of 210, the stock is all set to move above till the levels of 220. Also, if you see the put side data, the highest change in OI stands at the strike price of 200, which will act as a immediate support for a stock. However, if you see the strike price of 190, the highest OI stands at the strike price of 190, and thus it will be a major support for a stock. So all in all the indicators are suggesting that we can expect a good upside in the prices of Apollo Tyres Limited India stock in the coming trading sessions. So if someone is looking to invest in Apollo Tyres Limited India stock, she can do with short-term target 1 of 205, second short-term target of 209, and third short-term target of 211, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 200. While if someone is looking to invest in Apollo Tyres Limited India stock positionally, she can do uh, with positional targets of 222, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 190. And also, if you see any dips in the prices of Apollo Tyres Limited India stock, that should be considered as an opportunity to enter. And before ending this video, there is a disclaimer here that the above recommendation and analysis is only for the educational purpose. Do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching the video.